How to fix the Grab app login problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about the issue that is blocking you to log into your Grab account or just simply log into your Grab application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Grab application on your mobile device. For that, you just have to access the Play Store first and then go to the search bar. Type in Grab app, and once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now open the Grab application. Simply enter your current address, the correct current address in this bar. You can simply enable your location as well and then let the app detect your current address. Go to system settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Simply search for Grab application. Once you find it, click on it and then scroll down and go to storage. Now click on clear cache and also click on clear data, but remember that this includes all the files, settings, accounts and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding this. Now come back and then also try for stopping this application and then enable it again. Now go to permissions. Location is already enabled to this application, but make sure that you have given permission to each and everything that is mentioned over here, such as camera, contact, microphone, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Right after that, come back and try uninstalling this application completely from your device. Once it is uninstalled, come back to the Play Store, search for Grab application and then uninstall the program. Finally, restart your computer and relaunch the entire system. So this is exactly how you can solve the Grab app login problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.